Hi, this is the curtido. That's what we call in El Salvador.
What's it made out? What's in here? What's
It's
it made
cabbage and carrots, and I'm gonna throw some onion,
out? Okay.
and then I added the vinaigrette over there, probably half a cup. You can put the apple vinaigrette or you can put the white vinaigrette. It doesn't
Okay.
matter. And then you mix it together right there. Oregano. Little bit oregano.
So we got a little bit of oregano in there.
I put a little more.
Smell that vinegar.
Yeah. And then put some salt. At your own taste, you know. I'm gonna get the water out and then just drain.
But how long do we let it sit? Just
Probably 10 minutes, 20
10
minutes.
minutes? Okay.
Yeah.
Great.
As long as you think you like crunchy or you like let it soak a little more, you can put more salt later. Okay, that's
Great.
it. This is the ground beef, but the same thing. You can make it with turkey, chicken. Let me get a spoon of it.
You can make it with turkey or chicken.
Or chicken, and this is what we're gonna put inside the tortilla. I mean, it's tortilla. It's corn flour. I'm gonna make it. You just put a little season, and this is gonna go inside. And what I do is season it with this.
What is that? Sazon?
Sazon La Goya, yeah. It comes with that. It's supposed to have everything in here, so, and it give it good flavor and color.
I've never heard of that. It sounds good.
Yeah, and I put a little black pepper. And I cook with a lot of fresh onion, but today we're gonna put this one over here.
What is that? Minced onion?
Yeah. This one. And pepper, and let it let it cook. That's it.
Oh yeah, smell those seasonings.
Yeah.
Who taught you this recipe? How'd you learn it?
Oh, my mom made it all the time for us.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And it's another thing, you don't have to put meat. You can put something else, you know, like broccoli with cheese. You can put any beans. People make it with, my mama used to make a lot with the potato, mashed potato.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the mashed potato, put it inside. And it's really, really good.
Oh, it's looking good. So what do we have next?
We're gonna make the tortilla, the maseca, and make the pasteles.
Yay.
It's ready.
Some
There
homemade.
you go.
Okay, so what we got now?
This is the maseca corn flour, and this we use it for the make tortillas. And we're gonna put 4 cups. Let me see how big. I think 3 cups is fine. But it's as many as you want to make. You know, you can make. You want to make a lot, put more flour. Right now, make 3 cups. There you go. And then we're gonna put the same season, the Goya.
Oh yeah.
And just mix it right here.
Mix that up together.
Yeah.
So we got really warm water. Was that 2 cups?
Yeah, of course, see, I started with 2 cups, and then you see how, if you need more, I put some more. Yeah, you're gonna need a little bit more. Water. And then, gotta use our hands.
That's when you know it's good. You gotta get the hands in there.
Yeah. Then we're gonna start make the tortillas. I mean pasteles, but it's same like tortillas. That's the way you make it. So
Love it. Looks so good.
people made it in the machine, but I used to make a lot of tortillas when I was
You
young.
do it handmade. The real deal.
Yeah. When you make tortillas. Now we're gonna put it inside the meat.
Oh, yeah.
And then put the cheese. Oop. There you
Ooh,
go.
yeah. What kind of cheese is that? Quesadilla, Mexican style,
Yeah.
melting cheese. Oh, yeah.
You can put any cheese. Whatever cheese you like. I mean, that's... And then, you gotta make sure you close it.
Oh, that looks good.
And
Bien hecho.
this is the first one. I think it's ready. Oh, yeah.
Mmm. Those are looking good.
Yeah, this is ready. What I do is I take it out and just put it in a paper towel. And write it.
Soak up some of that oil.
Yeah,
Aceite.
aceite, sí.
Aceite.
There you go. También.
¿Todo está listo?
Oh, bueno, un poquito más.
Ok.
Este está listo también.
Con cuidado.
Slippery.
Okay, what's next? Is this the last step?
Yeah, and then we eat it. Go.
Wow, those look
Your
good.
plate.
Pasteles. Okay, so now I'm gonna put, what do you call the cabbage stuff?
Curtido.
Curtido. We put that on top of the pasteles.
You can eat it, yeah, and they put salt on top, or you can put red sauce. You can put my mom may make a special one, but I didn't make a special sauce. So
Oh, that's okay.
he's going to try their hot dog.
Okay, I'm gonna try it. So let's put the curtido on there. Curtida?
Curtido.
Curtido. Let's put
Yes,
that
like
on there.
coleslaw, but with the vinaigrette. That
Yeah,
doesn't have
it
any.
is like a
Yeah,
Salvadoran coleslaw kind of thing.
and then you can put the sauce on
And
top.
then I'm gonna put a little bit of picante sauce
Ooh.
on here. And you said I can just eat it with my hands? I don't
You
have
can
to
eat it
use
with your hands, or you can cut it with the.
Okay, let's try it. I'm gonna try it.
Oh,
Mmm,
good.
muy rica.
Tostados.
Delicioso.
Crunchy.
Delicious, tasty.
Good.